welcome to Diane's channel. So, strolling around, doing the usual. I just got someone, not everybody is open to be in video, but I just got someone. Benjamin is his name, and he is willing just to talk to me and tell me a little about himself. Benjamin, the floor is yours. You opened by telling me before I started that you're a foreigner like me, so please tell the audience where are you from, how long you've been in Ghana, and what you're doing right here. The floor is yours.
Thank you very much. First and foremost, my name is Benjamin Chideber. I am an Igbo man, Biafra to be precise, and technically Nigerian. I'm a Biafra man. So I'm a foreigner here at Development.
Yes.
So I run trade. I trade wares, ladies and especially both. So I've kind of spent some couple of days here in Ghana.
How long have you been in Ghana?
Probably around 4 or 5 years.
Oh wow, that's pretty long.
Sure.
And your stuff is behind me right here?
It's right in front of you.
Let me turn around and show you. Oh, that's what I had captured earlier on. Okay, so that's some of your items. So how do you like being in Ghana so far?
Actually,
4 or 5 years, well, I mean,
Sure.
I think you like it, right?
Sure. Ghana is a very accommodating, peaceful environment. Very accommodating.
Yes.
So far that you kind of respect their traditions and their norms, and do their do's and don't do their don'ts. So I believe you can excel to whatever limits.
And when you came to Ghana, you came to the Cape Coast straight, or you lived other places before?
When I came to Ghana, I came straight down to Cape Coast.
Okay. Cape Coast is quite popular, is it?
Actually, I was meant to understand that it's the former capital of Ghana. Or was once a capital of Ghana.
Yes.
And probably, it's not a commercial area actually, it's kind of more of a residential area.
Do you see a lot of tourists, foreigners passing through, coming by, viewing?
Sure, and I've been opportunity to kind of meet a couple of them. So, yeah.
So all in all, you have been away from your home for 5 years. Is it safe to say that you're intending to remain another 5 years in Ghana? You're happy being here in Ghana?
Oh, actually, I'm very happy being here.
Yes.
As long as I'll still spend in Ghana, I'm not certain. So whatever the future holds for me.
No, sorry, repeat that again. You're saying you're not what?
I said spending another 5 years in Ghana, I'm not so certain. But whatever the future holds for me, I don't mind because I love Ghana.
Oh, you love Ghana. So you prefer being in Ghana than your home, Nigeria?
Technically, I wouldn't say yes, but neither would I say no.
I think, Benjamin, that's a pretty good idea. I left Jamaica, I'm here in Ghana, I'm enjoying Ghana. Do you want to go out on a limb and say if you can enjoy the best of the both, that's okay? Technically. Is there anything you would like to say to others out there in the global space who may be thinking about visiting Ghana? Can they come to Ghana on their own?
Sure.
Travel as a solo, whether they have friends or family. What would you say to that?
Oh yeah, everybody's welcome to come. Come and graze the nature of the environment and everything that revolves around it. So I believe that Ghana is very accommodating to everyone.
Yes.
So far as you just come with a genuine mind.
Yes.
You don't have any problem.
Ghana is pretty diverse.
Sure.
We can say.
And accommodating as well.
Yes, accommodating, yes.
Important aspect.
Yes. And the Ghanaians are quite friendly
Oh, they are. They are. Very, very.
by and large,
Sure.
you know. So what would you say are the negatives to Ghana that you have found? Or let me rephrase this. Can we say, or would you say, the positives for you outweigh the negatives you have experienced within 5 years?
I came into this country with little or no capital, but to the extent that I've gotten myself into, I just appreciate Ghana and I appreciate God for that.
Well said, Benjamin. I thank you for allowing me.
You're welcome.
And I wish you all the best in Ghana. God bless.
Bless you.